beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. It's been a while folks, sorry I've been delayed, it's just been so busy lately with work and life and everything in between. But today I'm back, I'm going to be showing you how to make the red soup which we put on couscous with the vegetables, and it's honestly it's one of my favourite ones, and hopefully it will become your favourite one too. Now I've grown up eating couscous pretty much my whole life, and this is by far the best one, and I really hope you enjoy it. As always folks, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, there are no animals or animal products on my channel, please do hit the like button, hit subscribe, it will mean the world to me. And also follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back, and if you've got cool recipes, hit me up, let's collab. Other than that, have an amazing day guys, take care and let's get cooking.
Now just before we begin, there are 2 extra vegetables that you can add to this, which are generally used as well, which are potatoes and turnips. I just didn't have any at the time, but this works just fine without them as well. So for this recipe, you're going to need 500 grams of pumpkin, 3 medium carrots, 2 sticks of celery, which I've peeled to remove the hairs, 2 medium-sized courgettes, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a tin of chickpeas, 2 large or 3 small onions. You want them quartered, keep them thick. They will naturally flake apart in the soup and give a nice contrast to the texture. 1 handful of coriander or cilantro, 2 tablespoons of vegan chicken stock, tomato puree concentrate 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of black or white pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're going to start off by lightly frying all of our vegetables in olive oil. And then we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes and our herbs. Now once they've all been added in, we're going to fill that up with water to about between 1 to 2 inches above the top line of the vegetables. And we're going to let that boil down until you can see that the oil has split. Okay, so once you can see the oil split, we're going to add in the coriander. The reason I don't throw it all in at the beginning is I prefer still having some flavour of what's left of it, because don't forget we're going to be concentrating this down at this stage. So we're going to turn the heat down to medium and let it boil down until it's no longer watery. Now after a few hours, yes hours, you're going to see that it's really boiled down, and this is exactly where you want. All the flavours are in there, it's all been concentrated, and we're going to prepare our couscous. So the golden rule is 1 cup of couscous, 1.5 cups of water. Stir it, boil it down, just make sure it's evaporating as much as it can, and then we're going to cover it with a plate and let it sit for 5 minutes, and jobs are good, as we say.
5 minutes later.
And there you have it. Look at that beautiful plate. Goodness me. Forgot to add the coriander. Let's do that right now. There you go. Guys, the aroma, I'll tell you what makes this so good, right? It's the mix of the celery and the coriander in there, and just everything. It's just magic. It just works. Okay, so do give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. Now if you do try this or any of my other recipes out, please do tag me on Instagram. I would be very happy to see your photos. After all, this is what I do it for. It's just a bit of fun really, innit? And I will shout you out for being an awesome human being. And that's about it folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like button, do subscribe. As always, have an amazing week ahead, and I wish you all the success in the world. Have a good one.